Hello, I'm joined by Alan Arthur, the CEO at the GTMA Manufacturing Resource Centre, to talk about a couple of upcoming events. Nice to have you here, Alan. Good to see you.
Thank you very much, Jeff. Yes, really excited about what's coming in the early part of 2025. Really wanted to focus on talking about our event on the 26th of February. That's going to be running at the European headquarters of Yamazaki Mazak, commonly referred to as Mazak, and that's situated in Worcester, just off the M5 at Junction 6. It's a one-day event. The event is called Manufacturing Solutions UK, incorporating Make, Measurement, Matter. It's a bit of a mouthful.
Okay.
Every couple of years, we run a Make, Measurement, Matter event, and we've decided to bed it within Manufacturing Solutions UK. So what this does is it brings together technology suppliers, enablers, and provides networking opportunity. So there will be a presence of people involved in calibration and metrology in all its various forms, but also there will be people from the wider manufacturing spectrum. So it should be a really interesting event on the 26th of February.
Great. So I saw the LinkedIn post that went out, I think, last week. I know you've got some keynote speakers lined up, and one of them, I think, so far has been confirmed. Mark Ridgway, the CEO at Group Roads. So there's a big hitter for you straight off the bat. Who else have you got in the pipeline?
Well, I can't confirm that at this point in time. We will have a second speaker. What we try to do with this type of event is have someone talking from the perspective of the OEM or the manufacturer. And in the case of Mark, he's not only an excellent speaker and a nice guy, but he is very, very well informed around areas such as export, global supply chains, where a lot of our members will possibly be looking at a UK-focused activity. The Roads group that Mark heads up with his colleagues is interested in a much wider remit, and it's not just the UK market, but it can be sourced from the UK market for the work that they do. But it's a globally operating company. I think what he has to say will be very, very interesting for all those attending. I should say, actually, Jeff, that the event is free to attend. That there are a few spaces left for exhibitors to book. We will draw those from our membership first and then offer it outside. But that's selling very well. As I've said to you, another keynote speaker will be confirmed imminently. And we'll have a lot of top-tier manufacturers as well as supply chain companies. We've chosen to run this event collaborating with the BTMA. Again, a mouthful, but they're the British Turn Parts Manufacturers Association.
Okay.
So all of their members make generally small, but certainly turned metal parts. It fits nicely together with the theme of what we're doing with this event. And in fact, a lot of our members will network with the BTMA members as well. Yeah. So we're delighted to have BTMA on board.
Brilliant. I know Peter Hobbs pretty well. Peter is another previous guest on Insights for Manufacturing podcast, so it'd be good to catch up with him on the day as well.
Well, it's great to do this interview for this specific event, Jeff, and delighted also to say that you and your team will be on board for the event. That helps in many ways. It helps us in the publicity of the event, but not only that, it's nice to be able to capture the essence of what goes on at the event. And I know that some of our members will be very, very keen to talk to you about what they're currently doing with their public profile, and maybe that's somewhere you can work with them.
Yeah, I always love an event or a trade exhibition. So Chris Beecham and myself will be milling around and getting some sound bites from the exhibitors, some of your members, and some of the visitors as to what their challenges are, why they've come to the event, what they're looking to get out of it, and what's the latest in the sector. So I'm sure there'll be some good, vibrant discussion, and there'll be some video snippets to come out after the show. So yeah, really looking forward to getting into that.
That'd be great. I mean, the show itself is on a free format, so it's free car parking, free to attend. There'll be refreshments provided during the day. It's essentially quite a short day because We're also providing via Mazak tours of their facilities, their entire manufacturing facilities, which will kick in at 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and then we'll have an hour's networking after those tours conclude. So things should be wrapped up around 3:30 in the afternoon. If people want to find out more about this and they want to register, there is a registration page. The easiest way to get to that is to go to gtma.co.uk and click on events, and you'll see the event listed there. That will take you to the registration page. And I reaffirm, registration's free, and we welcome everyone, GTMA members, BTMA members, and non-members alike. Those who haven't ever been to the Mazak headquarters, it's a fascinating place. They will have their technology centre open throughout the whole day with engineers on hand to guide people around and to drill deeper into what they do and what technology they supply as well. So it's a high value event, and I think people will very much enjoy the format that we're laying on.
Brilliant. Sounds fantastic. It's going to be a day full of insights, value, added stuff, and some healthy discussion. So, and what a great facility as well. So really looking forward to that.
Thanks very much, Jeff. Really nice to speak with you today, and I look forward to seeing you on the 26th of February.
Cheers, Alan. Good luck with the show.
Cheers.